Robot vacuums are everywhere, but which ones actually clean smart and not just spin around? I compared 3 of Amazon's best sellers, and here's the truth. First, the Shark AI Ultra, Amazon's #1 bestseller right now. It's all about raw power and precision mapping. Matrix Clean AI hits every spot twice, and the self-empty base holds 30 days of dust. No mop here, but it's unbeatable for pet hair and carpet deep clean. Then the Roomba Plus 405, a true 2-in-1 vacuum and mop. Dual spinning pads wash and dry automatically, and the dock self-empties for 75 days. It's slower than the Shark, but the AutoMop wash and LiDAR navigation make it a strong mid-range option. Finally, the Roborock Qrevo Series, the most advanced one here. 8,000 pascals of suction, dual rotating mops at 200 RPM, and a dock that washes, dries, and refills. It's pricier, but its AI obstacle avoidance and multi-floor mapping set a new standard for smart clean. So Shark for power and carpets, Roomba for hands-off mopping, and Roborock for full automation. Check all the links below to compare current prices and similar models before they sell out. Check the description. I left more trending smart home products you'll love.